It's okay. We'll clean up when you're all done. Do you want to keep playing? What are you playing with?
Play-Doh.
What color is it?
Red. Red.
Who taught you that funny voice? Max did?
No, Neil did it.
Who did it?
Neil did it.
Camille did it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What are you making with your Play-Doh?
Neil did it. Things.
What are you making?
Play-Doh. Making Play-Doh.
You're making Play-Doh?
Balls.
Your balls?
Balls. See? Balls. Jacks. Buzz. 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 Mommy, make this one big. Mommy, make this one big. Mother. Mommy, make.
Okay, give it to Mommy. What do you want Mommy to do? What am I making?
Bow. Mommy, make this one. Bow. Mommy, make.